To make a mobile deposit with Keybank, start by downloading and installing the Keybank mobile banking app on your smartphone. Once the app is installed, open it and log in to your account using your username and password. If you are a new user, you will need to register for mobile banking by following the prompts to create a username and password. After logging in, select the deposit option from the main menu. You will then be asked to choose the account where you want to make the deposit. Select the account and enter the amount you want to deposit. Make sure to verify the amount to avoid any errors. Next, you will need to take a picture of the front and back of the check using your smartphone's camera. The app will guide you through the process and provide tips on how to capture a clear image. Ensure the check is properly endorsed with your signature and the words "for deposit only." After taking the pictures, review the deposit details to ensure everything is accurate. You will see the account number, deposit amount, and check images. If everything looks good, submit the deposit. You will receive a confirmation message once the deposit is accepted. It is essential to keep the check for a few days until the deposit is processed and the funds are available in your account. After the deposit is confirmed, you can safely void and dispose of the check. Keybank Mobile Deposit is a convenient way to deposit checks remotely, but it is crucial to follow the guidelines and best practices to avoid any issues. For example, make sure the check is properly endorsed and the images are clear and legible. Also, be aware of the deposit limits and cutoff times to ensure your deposit is processed on time. By following these steps and guidelines, you can make a successful mobile deposit with Keybank and enjoy the convenience of banking on the go.